What's up guys? Today we got a new exciting video for the ND Miata. I got coils. Let's bust it. So yeah, we're gonna be installing the coilovers today. I got the Meister R Club Race ones. They were actually on sale when I bought them. I wanted I think they're called the Zetas, but they were out of stock. But these ones were the same price as the Zetas because of the discount. I think they're actually, well, I don't know when this video is gonna come out, but right now they're still on sale. So,
how much?
Kind of a steal. I think it was like 12
V-Bucks?
12.50 or something. But yeah, we're gonna be installing these coilovers today. So that shit's gonna be scraping, to be honest.
Like how those balls scrape on the floor.
Yo!
Got the Miata in the garage. About to jack it off. I mean up.
Jack it off. Gotta jack it off and put the coilovers on. We're gonna jack it off with the coilovers on.
Yo, you got them free. Supervising Matt, bust the nuts.
I'm about to bust these nuts. Wait, that one was really easy too. Why are they like half of them so easy? I'm the nut buster. Give me any nut and I'll bust it. Excuse me, I gotta bust a nut over here.
Matt's now taking off the lugs. Wheels about to come off. Wheels already off. We jacked off the car. Car's up on jack stands. Time to start undoing the coils.
Trying to make videos. Can you please do your job?
Matt's getting mad at me because I'm not filming him.
Dude, I'm kissing my thing, dude.
Sorry, Mr. Do it again. My fault. Okay, so just to update you guys just a little bit, we recorded this entire time without audio, so we're really sorry. Currently, right now, car's jacked up and everything. Andrew's finishing putting on the passenger side. Matt's currently working on the driver's side.
I'm jacking off.
It's already pretty late, but we're gonna get this thing done. Also, you couldn't hear in the video, but these things are set to literally the max amount of low you can go.
Bro does not know what he's talking
I don't know what
about.
I'm talking about, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing off. So once we get this thing off, we're going to update you with putting it back on, how it's done, and then we'll come over here and do the rears. These ones look a lot easier than the fronts. These things are a bit.
They even have to take this off. Okay, so we're lowering the car now. So we're gonna see how the back looks basically to get it off the jack stands. So Derek's about to do that.
Let's see it.
Hit it.
In 5,
4, 3,
Just do it, bro.
2. I know.
It's low-key the same.
Oh, yeah,
it
that's
went
fine.
down.
It did go down.
Oh fuck.
Dropping the fronts.
I don't know if the jack's in clear.
Fuck.
Is the car on the jack?
So low.
Okay, yeah, you gotta get up on ramps.
We gotta get some ramps.
Oh my god, is it even gonna clear still?
It's literally in, bro.
Alright,
Holy
alright.
fuck, bro, that's insane.
Alright, here we
Oh
go.
my God.
3, 2, 1.
God damn, that thing's low. Oh my god. Dude, come check this out. Come check this out.
Oh.
I should make them harder, huh?
Holy shit!
I should.
Holy shit, that thing's low.
Yeah, this shit's gonna be really bumpy.
The back ones weren't maxed out. I remember.
These are
God damn, man. Freaking look at that tug.
not that recent.
Bro, I told you we were going for that fender to lip fitment.
Gotta get wheels now. Go take it for a ride again.
I can't see.
Oh, damn, that tracking was crazy.
Oh!
Oh my god.
I'm not this tall.
You gotta cut left, like hard left. Correct. Oh, he's chilling. Yeah. You're good. Oh my god. Holy shit, dude. Coils really make a difference, boys and girls.
The wheels are not as tucked in as like our cars.
Yeah.
Our cars, like the wheels were literally in
yeah.
the car. And let's get it back.
There's not much camber on them. They don't naturally camber as much. Alright. We're gonna wait till Matt comes out and then we're gonna see this thing on the streets. Hell yeah.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. We installed the coilovers. That shit looks mad aggressive now. We had to stop at the Denny's. I didn't scrape on the drive, so I'm that guy. These coilovers, like just driving here, I could definitely feel the bumps more for sure because the spring rate is higher. So, but it's not that bad. Like I actually like them a lot. I'm kind of glad that I got these over the other ones because they were a little bit softer too. And I was like turning, and the car was turning. That's crazy. But yeah, that's it. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe if you like the content and more Miata stuff, and also 86 and BRZ stuff in the future. Kind of crazy.
This is time to go to the canyons now. Go flying through the canyons in the Miata. My car's gonna have a snail in it.
What do you say?
Why are there so many songs about rainbows, and what's on the other side?
That was good. What the fuck?
Bro's Kermit.